Hello, my name is Georgi Lapachi, and today I will present my project about my country, Georgia. Georgia is a beautiful and diverse country known for its rich cultural, strong traditions, and great hospitality. Our country is famous for its breathtaking nature, ancient history, and warm-hearted people. In this presentation, I will talk about the beauty of Georgia, its traditions, and why my country is so special. Georgia is located next to Turkey and Azerbaijan. Our population is about 3.7 million people. Its capital city is Tbilisi, and we have one official language, Georgian. Georgia celebrates its Independence Day on May 26. Georgia is a very touristic country. We have many beautiful regions and places to visit, such as Tbilisi, the capital city famous for its old town, Tsketa, one of the oldest cities in Georgia, home to the Svetitskhoveli Cathedral, Azbegi, known for its stunning mountains and Gegreti Church, Gudauri, a popular ski resort in the Caucasus Mountains, Svaneti, a beautiful mountain region with ancient towers, Mestia and Uchkuli, Batumi, a seaside city on the Black Sea, with beaches, palm trees, and a botanical garden, Kakheti, the wine region of Georgia, famous for Telavi, Sirnavi, and vineyards. There are still many beautiful places to see in Georgia. One of the most famous Georgian dishes are khinkali and khachapuri. Khinkali is Georgian dumplings filled with meat and broth, originally from the mountain regions. Khachapuri, cheese-filled bread with regional varieties such as Imeretian, Algerian, and Megrelian.
Georgia's rich culture and national pride. Georgia is a small country located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, but it has one of the oldest and richest culture in the world. Our country is known for its unique alphabet and beautiful language, which are symbols of our identity and history. Georgian people have always valued education, art, and literature. Famous writers such as Shota Rustaveli, Ilya Chavchavadze, and Galaktion Tabidze has shared deep ideas about love, courage, and freedom through their works. Georgian folklore is another important part of our culture. Traditional songs, dances, and legends tell stories about our ancestor heroes and their bravery. The famous philosophic singing, which is even recognized by UNESCO, shows how talented and creative the Georgian peoples are. Each region of Georgia has its own traditional costumes, instruments, and melodies that make our culture diverse and colorful. In addition, Georgian hospitality is world famous. Guests are treated with great respect and kindness, and the traditional